What's that? That goes in there? What do you have in your hand?
Oh!
What else is in the box, Brendan?
What's that?
I don't know. That looks like a monkey.
Duda.
Yeah, he's kind of like a Duda. What's his name?
That's Duda.
That's a Duda? Okay.
Duda for blue Duda.
Yeah.
Duda, what Duda to Duda?
Thank you. What's that?
Open.
Do you want me to open? Let's see. Ooh, it's bracelets. Can you say bracelet? What's on the koozie?
Spider.
No, you have a spider in your hand. What's on the koozie?
What spider?
Where is the other spider? You put it in the box.
Spider.
Yeah.
That's spider.
That's a spider.
Ouija door. Ouija door. Wow, I see.
What's that?
Scary.
Is that scary? I think that's perfect for Daddy for the Halloween party.
What's that?
That's a skull and crossbones.
Broken.
It's broken? Broken bones? Can you say thank you, Grandma? Say thank you?
Ooh, wow, weird.
Bracelet.
Bracelet.
Wow.
Wow, weird. Winnie. Eator. Wow, weird. Wow.
Ooh, what color is that?
Weird.
Is that yellow? Are you sure there's not anything else in your box? I thought I saw something else in there. No? Can you say thank you, Grandma? Oh, look at all your bracelets.
Wow, really?
Is that all of them? All gone. All gone. What's scary say, Brendan?
Oh, Tino.
Brendan, what's scary say? Wow, that was a lot of ahs. Mwah, ah.
Top. A top.
It's got a top. I think they can all get together and they glow in the dark. What else is in your box?
Spider.
Spider. What else?
Wow, spider.
Wow, spider. Oh, did you kill him? Those are good noises. You'll have to use those when you're Buzz Lightyear for Halloween.
The boy said what's done.
What does Buzz say? Don't eat the spider.
We eat the spider.
That's yucky. No, we don't eat the spider. It's yucky.
Eat a spider. We eat the spider.
No, we don't eat the spider.
Eat a fish. We eat them.
No, we don't eat that either. They're just toys. They're not food. Can you say thank you, Grandma?
There.
Yeah, it does go in there. Brendan, look at mommy.
Oh.
Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Near.
In there. Brendan, can you say thank you? Say thank you. Can you say happy Halloween?
Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Okay, well this is going to keep us busy for quite a while.
Oh, tummy.
Okay, say I love you, Grandma. Thank you for my package. Say I love my Dunda. And I love my spiders. And what else do we get? I think there's something else in here, Brendan.
Spider.
What else? Oh, there's another spider. Look, what's this? Oh, what's that?
Spider.
No, what's that in your hand? Is it a book?
Apple.
Really? Is it an apple or a book?
Window.
Here you go.
Uh-oh. Dolly. Spider.
Yes, that's a spider. Oh, there is an apple in your book.
He eats scary.
No, we don't eat those.
He eats a spider.
Yeah, we don't eat the spider.
He eats spider. 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 Oh, what's that?
That's all the bracelets. See if there's something else here. What does that do? Woo, woo, woo.
Oh, what is that?
Okay, we're gonna sign off now. Say bye-bye, Grandma. Happy Halloween.
Oh, it's so near.
There's nothing in there. Can you say Happy Halloween?
Halloween.
Yeah, you got at least one part of that down. Okay, bye, Grandma.